Israelis rise up and rebuild their lives. And when trauma and terror does happen, as what is you can see around me here at Dimona, Israel covers it. Israel comforts their people, and we, Bridges for Peace, get right on the scene. We meet with the families, and we see what we can do. Now you look behind me, this house is about 10 meters away, 20 meters away from the impact site, completely destroyed. This is what real destruction looks like. You can see the family digging through their stuff. This is not staged. This is not AI. This is real life. This is a family that has lost absolutely everything. Most of the family was in their safe room, which is on the end of the house here. One of the children was in the washroom when the missile hit. And thank God, all of them were saved. But then what you have is an ordinary family targeted deliberately by the Iranian regime, which wants to inflict terror and destruction on ordinary people's lives. Just like what we see here in Dimona, what we've seen in Arad, Beit Shemesh, and the list goes on and on.
So I'd like to say, first of all, that I'm so happy to have you here. This is so meaningful for us to have you like brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
It happened only last night, this disaster that you see all around us. I met you here today, only a few hours after the missile attacks. So that means a lot. So I think there are no words to express the way I feel and the way we cherish everything that you do.
We've had a relationship with the people of Dimona for years, and we bless the people of Israel. And when this happens, we don't go away. We jump actually towards the danger. These aren't just nice words to make someone feel.
No,
We are devastated with you. And I look beyond at these ordinary families, which last night when they went to bed, they're ordinary families. And now suddenly the world knows about them purely because an Iranian regime sent a ballistic missile to try to kill civilians. And so we are just a few people that represent millions of people around the world who would all want to be here. And they give of themselves, they give of their money, they give of their prayers to rebuild this. This will be rebuilt.
You are not alone. So accept that from us, the lone voices here. We represent the thousands.
Can I give you your...
Yes.
Thank you.
Bridges for Peace, we stand in the gap. We are right here, hands and feet, with normal, practical people that have been affected by this to offer comfort and support. God bless you. Shalom.